Have you dreamed of making your own action RPG but not sure where to start? I'm Rick Davidson. I have more than 13 years experience designing and developing games in studios in North America.
And I'm Ben Tristram. I have taught over 300,000 people to code from scratch, and I can't wait to help you. So Rick, what's the course about?
Well, RPGs are huge, complex beasts, and we're going to start with the most important aspect, which is core combat, and get you creating something that you can touch and feel and move around in the engine. And it's important you've got a little bit of Unity knowledge and a little bit of C# knowledge. If you have that, you're ready to roll.
You might wonder, why don't you just pick an existing RPG creator off the shelves and try using that? The problem is that you need to know exactly how these things work in order to customize them for your needs. And we will be teaching you every single line of code in this step by step. So by the end of it, you'll really feel you own what you've got.
So we're going to have a bunch of great gameplay in there. You're moving your character around, you're hitting enemies. The enemies will have with AI pathfinding, and we'll have waypoints, weapons and weapon pickups. Lots of great stuff. I'm pretty excited about all the things we've got in there for you.
And to get all this done while still keeping your code super clean, super human, and super readable, we need to introduce some more C# functionality for you. Things like interfaces, delegates, and coroutines.
And by the end of this course, you will have your very own playable combat prototype that you could show to people, maybe use for a Kickstarter, or maybe use as a portfolio piece to show what you are capable of coming up with.
And RPG is an amazing way to learn to code. It's a fantastic way to cut your teeth on C#, and it's a great time to do it. So join us on the course now.